Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, if you are not yet a subscriber, please consider subscribing to this channel. I bring you entertainment news each and every day. So guys, Mihlali's mom Upumla Ndamase Chitende has filed a protection order against the husband's side chick. Now, a few weeks ago, Mihlali's mom found out that the husband was cheating on her with his colleague. So I'm guessing now she filed a protection order. Maybe the side chick was, harassing them, or the side chick was going to their place. I don't know, but yes, she filed a protection order, and this was posted by Umusa Kaula on Twitter. And yes, man, what's surprising is that this man, Mr. Chitende, was using the side chick's address in everything. And even for him to get a South African ID, this guy used the side chick's address for him to acquire a South African ID. Even when he needs to apply for some things, he uses the side chick's proof of residence. So now I'm just so confused, Uguti. Since now they have a protection order, like who is he going to ask for all of those things? And also, like, why is this guy using his side chick's address instead of Mihlali's mom's address? Like, this doesn't add up. Or maybe he met the side chick before Mama Mihlali. We really don't know. But hey son, indaba zabantu. That's all I have for you today, guys. Please make sure that you subscribe, you like this video, and also leave a comment in the comment section down below.